Hey friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about carrots. Regarding carrots, we all aware about the benefits of carrot, but the question comes whether we should eat only seasonal carrots, or as carrots are available 12 months, we should eat 12 months carrots. There are two kind of carrots which are most commonly available, though there are black carrots also, but most commonly there is red carrot and there is orange carrot. So what is the difference between red carrot and orange carrot? Which is the traditional carrot and which one is hybrid carrot? What kind of carrot Ayurveda recommends? So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. According to Ayurveda, the carrot that is recommended is red carrot, and it is a seasonal carrot. It is not available to 12 months of the year. It is available in winter season. This red colored carrot which you see in Indian markets, it is very juicy, it is very beneficial, it has more vitamin A, it is more beneficial for health, it contains more fiber, and it is also being used in desserts, and it's more sweet in taste. For cooking vegetable, for cooking sweet dishes, the carrot that has been used is red carrot. And as a salad, if you want to use carrot which has low water content, but more low water content, and fiber content is almost same, but it has low water content and it's more dry in nature, that is orange carrot. It is actually hybrid variety and it is available in 12 months. In whole year you can eat this hybrid variety. From Ayurveda concept, there was no concept of orange carrot, there was only red colored carrot. This orange carrot has very low water content, so you can also use it as dressing, as a salad, with many things. But this red colored carrot, it is rarely used as a dressing or as a salad, as a like the grated salad, you know, like as a decoration over the food, because this kind of carrot has a lot of water content, and if you put it on any cooked meal, it will become wet. So that's why this red colored carrot it's not been used for garnishing. It is used as a sweet dish that is called gajar ka halwa, carrot halwa, or carrot vegetable, or just eating as a carrot. According to Ayurveda, what is carrot, whether it is hot in potency or cooling in potency, or what is carrot? According to Ayurveda, carrot is hot in potency. Because of its heating in potency, it is very beneficial in balancing the Vata dosha or pacifying the Vata dosha. And it is very good vegetable, very light vegetable, and if you are cooking carrot as a vegetable, it will get very easily digested. So now the question comes, in which diseases we can eat carrot? You can eat carrot in all diseases, though we all know it is very beneficial for our eyes. It's very good source of vitamin A. In addition to that, you can eat it in any digestive order, but it should be boiled, you know, traditionally cooked carrot, freshly cooked and freshly consumed. So it should be it can be eaten in all kind of diseases, respiratory diseases. Carrot is very beneficial because it enhances the rasa dhatu. Rasa dhatu is the prime source for all the bronchial problems. Like if rasa dhatu is healthy, then your lung tissue will be healthy, because in Ayurveda, as you know, there is ras, rakt, mas, med, asthi, majja, shukra. So division is like this. So rasa dhatu get converted into another cellular level, that is blood, and then blood gets converted into other cellular tissues, muscles, just like this. So the tree is going like this. So in this, the base dhatu, the base tissue is the rasa dhatu, and carrot is very rasavardhak, means it enhancing the rasa dhatu. So if you are eating carrots, your rasa dhatu will become healthy, and eventually it will cure it is beneficial in all the diseases. So if you have bronchial diseases, if you have mucus problems, if you have digestive issues, if you have liver issues, spleen issues, any kind of problem you have, you can eat carrot carrot, but when you are eating carrot, you also need to keep in mind you should not eat carrot in excess. You can eat carrot as a raw, as a salad, but very well ripe carrot as a salad you can use, or you can cook carrot as a vegetable with spices, very mild spices. Which spices you can use? That is coriander, cumin little bit, and little bit of turmeric. So, these 3 spices are good enough to cook carrot. So, you can use these spices while cooking carrot in some carrot recipe. Soon we will share some carrot recipe for all our viewers, so that they can know how traditionally carrot has been cooked, and you can use it as a vegetable too. In addition to that, if you have very less strength in your bones, if you feel like your bones are very weak, then also carrot is very beneficial to enhance the bone tissue. So, especially the majja dhatu, you know, majja, that is known as the bone marrow. So, it is very beneficial in diseases that related with bone marrow, and overall actually carrot is beneficial in every system. So, anybody who has even piles, fissure, fistula, digestive issues, inflammation problems, lung disease, joint pain, kidney disease, anywhere, cardiac problems, you all can eat carrot, but make sure the carrot should be of organic origin, and you should not eat carrot in excess, and you should wash the carrot properly, peel out its peel, remove the bad things, you know, the top and the bottom, and this way you can use carrot. Now the question comes, which, if you have your own grown carrots, it's the best organic one, but if you are going to market, and how you should choose carrot. So, the best way of choose carrot is you take those carrots which are medium in shape. You do not take those carrots which are very big in size, also not those carrots which are very small in size. Middle sized carrots are beneficial. And also make sure when you are buying carrot, the carrot should not be old. How to check whether its carrot is old or not? If it is fresh carrot, once you break it from within, the sound of clap will come, crack, like this. But if the carrot is very old and they are saying, oh, it's new, if you break it, no sound will come. So, this is a carrot test, whether the carrot is fresh or not fresh. In addition to that, also check the stem of the carrot. If the stem of the carrot has become very brownish or very blackish, that means the carrot has been rotten. So, this kind of carrot you should not choose. Actually, you should choose thin to medium sized carrots, because these kind of carrots are more juicy, more beneficial, more fiber, and more tasty. So, this is how once you go to market you can choose carrot. And what is the best time to eat carrot? If you are eating carrot as a salad, so the best time to eat carrot is before food, not after food, not with food, before food, because in Ayurveda it's been recommended that you should not mix raw, means uncooked food, and cooked food. So, once you finish carrot, then you start eating anything cooked. This way, if you are eating carrot, you can withdraw all the benefits of carrots, and it is very beneficial if you are eating like this. So, how you can eat hybrid carrot, that is the orange carrot? This also same way you can eat, though in cooking and in as a sweet dish, this carrot is not very tasty. It can be used only as a salad. So, if you are eating carrot as a salad, eat it before food. No salad should be eaten after food or with food, because according to Ayurveda principles, cooked and uncooked food should not be eaten together, because it can disturb your stomach issues, because your stomach can get confused like what juice I should secrete, though those, now many times people say, though many people are eating everything together and they say nothing happened, maybe your digestive fire is very good, so nothing is happening, but eventually if you are having weak digestive fire or Vata body type, or some kind of disease, or for some reason immunity is low, then you can feel the difference very precisely. Like, it will make a lot of difference once you eat first raw carrot and then cooked food. If you eat it like this, you will feel much better if you have low digestive fire for some reasons. Also, if you have excess of mucus problems, excess of bronchial issues, body makes a lot of mucus and lot of cough, in these cases also carrot is very beneficial. You can make carrot juice with beetroot juice, 2 carrots and half beetroot. You can add little bit of pepper, little bit of rock salt, and this kind of juice you can take. It is very beneficial. It works at a very good detox, but you make sure if you are taking this kind of juice, you should take it empty stomach, and it should be freshly prepared and freshly consumed. So that's all about carrot. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.